In front of me is OnePlus 6T, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back to standard keyboard thanks to this icon at the top left corner. Now to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text and paste it right away by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard. You can also paste it by clicking on this Clipboard icon again and clicking on it here. In order to pin one of your added sentences, use this pen at the top right corner, click on the chosen one and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it though, hit the pen, tap on your sentence and use pin icon next to the pin one. Lastly, if you wish to disable your Clipboard, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!